In this video, I'll show you how to add a cinematic light ray reveal transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using ray. This transition creates dramatic beams of light between your clips, making the scene change feel cinematic, atmospheric, and powerful. It works great for documentaries, travel videos, nature edits, and storytelling content. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for ray. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Ray length controls how far the light rays extend across the frame. Softness controls how smooth the light rays appear. Wipe angle controls the direction of the ray reveal. Wipe feather controls how soft the reveal edges look. Exposure controls how bright the rays appear. Use a shorter duration for a quick dramatic burst. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic reveal. For best results, this effect looks amazing on wide shots or footage with natural light, and that's it. That's how you add a cinematic light ray reveal transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.